This is my Airbnb in Panama City. It's a studio apartment. It is small, but it has the essentials. It's clean and it has a great view. It's located on Avenida Balboa, which is a very popular street along the water and park in the city of Panama City in the central part. This is the view from the window. It's beautiful ocean view. You can also see a lot of the city and the old, I believe it's called Casco Viejo, which is the older colonial part of the city. Right there. It's just a picturesque view, and then something unique. You see those people on that floor, they're lining up to go on a zip line. So there's a zip line from this building, which is unique. Okay, I'm gonna show you the rest of the studio apartment. Go to the front door. There's staff people there. The hallway, so the staff around. This apartment has a electronic lock. And a key lock and an electronic lock. There's some construction going on, that's what that noise is. So you enter the unit, and there's a kitchenette to the left with a stove top. See if we can put some light on. Yeah. And a microwave, sink, garbage, little refrigerator, nice and clean, and utensils, pots. Okay. There's an air conditioning unit right here, large TV, nice little table space here to eat on or to do some work on, and nice cute chairs. They said this is a queen size bed. It may look full versus queen, but it's good enough. Again, beautiful views. The windows do open if you want to get fresh air. No screen, surprisingly, and no guardrail. I'm on the 36th floor, so it's a long ways down. They have a pool down there, and they got restaurants on the 37th floor. And you see the park across the street. Tennis courts and basketball court. And you see the walkway along the water. You can walk either way up or down, north or south, along that causeway. Nice accent, flowers pretty. There's a mirror and the closet space here with hangers, some drawers, and a blow dryer. Here's my luggage, place nightstand, extra lighting. Okay, all the essentials. That is the Airbnb. Oh, here's a washer. I don't know. They said it's a washer dryer combination, I believe. It's listed washer and dryer on the Airbnb listing, so I'll have to check that out. I'm only here a few days, so I might not need it. But here's the bathroom as well. Shower. Everything is clean again. And nice mirror. They do provide towels, soap, and soap in there as well. Okay, again, all the essentials. I am happy with the unit. It's less than $100 per day, and you pay mainly for the convenience of being in Panama City on a very nice street called Avenida Balboa. Awesome view of the water. Awesome. And I'm looking forward to going out there and walking along the water. You see people riding their bike, walking their dogs, etc. in this area. Okay. On the level where the pool is located, which is about maybe 2 or 3 levels up, it's called the social level. Level AS, or yes, AS, area social. Here's the tall building above it. Beautiful view at night. There's a bar area, the pool, a hot tub, and beautiful view of the Pacific Ocean and the city skyline. I'll walk you through. Pool table and ping pong table. It's a co-working area here. There's the gym. Hours are from 8 to 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for the pool and the gym, this whole level, except for the bars. Soon they stay open later. Osaka Toscana restaurant. Looks like they have 2 hot tubs. Oh no, it's just a shallow section of the pool. It's the lap pool there. And then another shallow area of the pool. Young people socializing, really nice rooftop pool. And this is part of Toscana, Osaka. Large pool. Nighttime view from the hallway of my Airbnb in Panama City. Beautiful city view of Panama City from my Airbnb. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The air feels so good. The sight is so nice. Warm breeze in Panama.
Dale con el taco arriba.